Fieldmagic
Morning
allows you to
everyone.
customize
In this
fields and form
video, I'll
layouts
show
for
you how
select
to
modules
customize
including
fields
leads,
and form
customers,
layouts in
sites,
Fieldmagic.
contacts,
This
quotes,
feature is
jobs,
available for
assets,
select
and more.
modules, including leads, customers, sites, contacts,
Navigate to admin
quotes,
settings by
jobs,
clicking the settings
assets, and
icon in the
more.
top left,
For this walkthrough,
then
we'll
locate
use
and click
jobs as our
Studio to
example.
access the
To access
customization
Studio,
area.
first go to admin settings by clicking the icon on the top left.
On the
From
Studio
there, look
page,
for Studio
select the
and click
module
on
you
it.
want to customize, such
Let's
as
search
Jobs,
Studio.
to open its configuration options.
You'll land on the Studio page where you can see all the modules available for customization. We have the leads, customers, sites, contacts, quotes, jobs, assets, customers' invoices,
In the
purchase
Jobs module,
orders,
you will see
supplier
two panels.
invoices,
The left panel
product
displays
catalog,
available
asset
fields,
types, and
and the right panel
timesheets.
shows your current
For
form
this
layout
example, we
organized
can go
into
ahead and
tabs.
click on Jobs. Inside the Jobs module in Studio, you'll see two
Available
sections.
fields are
On
those
the
that
left
exist in the
is
system
your list
but are
of
not currently
available
visible on your
fields. We
form,
have the
such as labor, labor
labor
costs,
costs,
materials costs,
materials
and
cost,
tags.
estimated revenue, tags, and more. These are fields that
The
exist
form
in the
layout is
system but
organized into
aren't
tabs
currently
including information, work order,
available
cost centers,
on
work
your sheet
locations, schedule,
or in your
resources,
form. On the
SWMs,
right is
and
your
custom.
actual form layout organized into tabs.
To add
We
a
have
field
the
to your form,
information,
click and
work
hold the field in
order,
the left panel.
cost
Then
centers,
drag and
work
drop it into the
location,
desired
schedule,
position on the right
resources,
panel within any
SWMS,
existing
and
tab.
custom. This is exactly what your team sees when they open
For
a
example,
job
drag a
record.
field into the Information
To
tab to
add
make
a
it
field
visible at
in
the
your
top of the
form,
job record.
click and hold any field from the left panel, then drag and drop it into the position you want on the right. You can
To
drop
create
it
a new
into
grouping of
any
fields,
existing
click
tab.
Add
For
Section
example,
and name
drag
the
a
new
field
section.
into the information tab to make it visible right at the top of the job form.
To
You can
rearrange
also
fields
click Add
already in your
Section to
form,
create a
drag
new
them to new
grouping
positions
within.
by moving them up,
Let's try to
down,
create
or
a
across
new
columns.
section. You can also rearrange fields that are already in your form by dragging them to a
If your
new
team uses the
position.
Fieldmagic mobile app,
Move
click
them
Switch to
out,
Mobile to
down,
customize the
across
layout from
columns
Mobile
to
View.
match how your team works. The same process applies to any of the other modules in the studio. If your team uses the Fieldmagic mobile app, click Switch to Mobile to adjust the layout for mobile
When you are
view
satisfied with
as
your
well.
changes,
Once you're
click
happy
Save
with
in the top right
everything,
corner
click
to
Save
apply
in the
all
top right corner
customizations to
to
your form.
apply all your changes. And that's how you customize fields and form layouts in Field Magic Studio. For more help, reach out to the Field Magic support team.